What? Tell me more about it.
And smell it. See, you can smell it right here. Oh.
You can smell what?
The flock.
The phlox.
Now we're gonna go up this other trail just a little ways because I gotta show you.
My mom loves this stuff.
Are you putting me on YouTube or something?
No?
You put me on Facebook?
No.
A Facebook video?
No. I can't do that. You keep on talking.
No. It's
Yes.
my birthday.
I know it's your birthday. Happy birthday. Okay. Tell me more about the flowers.
No, you can't. Oh, well, I want to go back to the other subject. You can't be taping that.
Okay, well, continue to talk to me about the flowers and your joy for them.
Flowers are available. See the flowers?
Oh, man. Flowers. You gonna talk some
Now
more?
look at this here. Look
Oh,
at this.
there we
Look at
go.
these three things. Look at those three. Aren't those incredible? Look at that stuff.
All right, more about the flowers.
All right, purple ones down here.
Yeah? Man, we're just trudging through this stuff. More yellow ones, huh? Here's a yellow one.
Right here.
Here's yellow ones. Yellow. It's a footprint. That's where I got trapped last time.
All right, here's these other purple ones. Look at that.
Purple one's really dark. Can't really see it
See
very
that?
well.
And there's one more patch of them
Purple.
right up here, and then we're going to go back.
Okay. Where did you find this trail,
We don't
Mom?
have time to do the whole trail. Look at this. Look at this right here.
Where'd you
Look at that. Look at that.
Where'd you find this trail?
Oh my God. It just appeared out of nowhere.
You excited there on your birthday?
What are you doing with that?
I love this side of you, Mom. It's a good side.